Experience unmatched silence and immersive sound. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones redefine noise cancellation with industry-leading ANC and immersive spatial audio. Whether you're traveling, working, or relaxing, these wireless over-ear headphones deliver crystal-clear sound with deep bass, balanced mids, and crisp highs. Up to 24 hours of battery life ensures uninterrupted listening, while the plush ear cushions provide supreme comfort. The built-in mic makes calls effortless, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity enhances the experience. Pros: exceptional noise cancellation, immersive spatial audio, long battery life, premium comfort, crystal clear call quality. Cons: premium price, no aptX support. Thank you for watching Tech Tally Review. Click the link in the description to check it out.